everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys all of my ethnic jewelry collection, and by jewelry I mean all the earrings which I have. All of these earrings are mostly that I have brought from the local market. So yeah, without any delay, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first one is my favorite. These are the jhumkas, blue in color, as you can see. Long jhumkas. I just love these earrings. These are my favorite ones. They go with. I think they look beautiful, and they go with most of my kurtas. So yeah, and also with saris you can wear it for sure. So yeah, these are my favorite ones. These are the ones which I took from the local market, जो हमारे यहाँ रहता है. So yeah, these were like for I think under 100 or something, and under 100 I think it's perfect. So yeah, my most favorite ones. Also, some of them are like the party wear earrings also. So we will go to them afterwards. First I will show you mostly the traditional ones, the oxidized jewelry. Next are these golden jhumkas. I'm pretty sure that most of you have them. These are the jhumkas. I think they are perfect. They go well with saris. They just look beautiful. If you don't have any other thing to wear with saris, these earrings are perfect. Just wear these earrings and with minimal makeup, it will look good. So yeah, these are also my favorite ones. Next one are the oxidized jewelries, the silver jewelries. I just love these jewelries. They are my most favorite ones, and they go with every outfit. So yeah, these are the ones which I took from the Bhuleshwar market. I remember all of these are like 100 or below 100 or something, like above 100. And one of them actually, which I will show you, the traditional one, they are only costly. Other all are like 100, below 100, or like 150 till range. So yeah, these ones, I think these ones will go well with this outfit as well. So yeah, I just love these ones. This I have wear mostly. The next one is this one. These are also my favorite. I have not worn this one that much. I think once or twice I guess I have worn this one. But yeah, they also look good. So yeah, these are the next one. I have wore actually this ones a lot, and I love this ones. They are pretty good, and these are like a basic ones which like everyone should have or like must have. They go well with kurtas, the kurtas which we wear on jeans, or like the basic kurtas. So yeah, we can go see. The best part of oxidized jewelry is they go well with every outfit. You can see all of the oxidized jewelries suit on this kurta. So yeah. And the last one in the oxidized jewelry types are these. Oh, I just love these ones. These are my most favorite ones. These also go well with this outfit. So yeah, you must have this ones, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so now the part of the jewelry which I'm going to show you guys is my most favorite one. These are the ones which I wore on my sister's wedding, and also you would have seen this one in my wedding outfits video. It's a set, like earrings and a bindi, and this is something like around 300 or 350 something. So but it's worth it. Just look at this piece. It's so beautiful. It's like a wedding jewelry only. Give you a close up of this. It's so pretty and it's so shiny and so glittery, and it also has a bindi. This one's the bindi. I just love this one. You know, this one is like my most favorite one. I just love this. So I have a cute little pink colored jhumka which has a peacock kind of design. You can see. Oops. Sorry guys. This. Okay. Yeah. This. They're so beautiful and so pretty. I just like this cute little jhumkas. So cute. Really beautiful. Okay, and also this pretty little ones, shiny and glittery ones. Let's see. I don't know it is focusing or not. These ones. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Also, these are the ones which I wore in my wedding outfits video. Pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some of the party wear earrings which I have. The first one is the one which I wore in my brother's reception. Pretty. These are like the crystal one earrings. I think these were very trendy back then. So yeah, these are also my favorite ones. They're just so pretty. I just love these earrings. They are very good. Good investment, I would say. Next one is also, these ones are the ones which I wore on a sari. On my sari day, on my black colored sari. Also, you can wear it on any of your western outfits as well, I'm sure. And these are like pretty good, man. So yeah. Next one are this beautiful earrings. Look at them. They're so pretty. I just love these earrings, this kind of earrings, you know, so classy and beautiful to wear on western gowns and, you know, short dresses. Just beautiful. It has a crystal here. And the last ones are this. These are like the basic one. They're pretty. It is like this star kind of thing. Hanging earrings. And the last ones, these are not like earrings. I don't know exactly what they are called. But these are like the most traditional ones which you wear on Nawari or, you know, on saris as well, which you hang in here. See, these are like the hoops. Hoops, I don't know, which you hang in here. Can you see? And they're pretty. They just look good. You can wear it on Nawari or on saris or on kurtas as well. You know, if I'm wearing on this kurta and it looks good, I must say. Oops. Only the problem with these ones are, you know, you have to be very careful when you're wearing. Yeah. These ones, and also have one more pair of them. Different design. These. Pretty. You can also wear them. Okay, so the dabba is empty. So these were all of the ethnic jewelry collection, ethnic earrings which I had. I thought that why not share it with you guys. I just saw one of the YouTuber doing such video, so I thought that I also have a kind of collection, so why not share it with you guys. So hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing my channel and comment down below your thoughts on this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.